Hi. Let's continue our lecture very fast. Now I want to convert this application, this size application, from Python file to executable file, from py.py to .exe. So we have some steps to do that, and many solutions, many options. So step to create an executable file from Python script using PyInstaller package. So we need to install a package called PyInstaller. Okay, how? Step 1, add Python to Windows Pass. Step 2, open your command prompt as administrator. Then install the PyInstaller package. Okay, then save your Python script in the same folder of images. Then create the executable using PyInstaller. Okay, so we need these 5 steps to convert .py to .exe. These steps, the 3 steps, are one times only. So these 3 steps only one time in your computer. On each computer, you do it only one time. Okay? Then the step 4, the step 5 will be for each application do you want to convert. So the 3 steps only you can do it only once in your computer. Okay? Then I will go very fast on it. Then run your executable file. Okay. So step 1, add window pass, add Python to window pass. When you install, we have 2 methods. When you install PyCharm, easy method, or manual adding the pass, hard method. Okay. If you forget to click the checkbox, when you install method 1, when you install the Python in your computer, click this, add Python to your path. Okay, this is the easy method. Okay, if you forget, you will get to the hard method. Go to properties of your computer, click advanced system setting, manually add Python to Windows Pass. From here, environment variables. Okay, then click new. Manually, you will add the path of your code. Okay, inside the Windows Pass. This is a hard way. Okay, and this is how to find these paths in your computer. Okay, I will skip this. You can read it. Step 2, run your command, run as administrator. Just click CMD and right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Okay, then write this syntax: Python -m space pip space install -- upgrade pip. So here we have, if you want to install any package using Python, any package, okay, you can write this and the name of your package. Now pip space install space PyInstall. So the first line here, before installing any package you want, upgrade your pip, your command pip. So this code will upgrade your pip command to be used here. Pip space install space any package or any library do you want to install it in your PyCharm. Okay, pip space install space any library here. Okay, then save all your photos, your images on the same level, of your application. Okay, then copy your folder path, this path. Copy this path, we need it to convert. Copy this path. Okay, then put it here. Okay, we go to it. Okay, put it here. Then type PyInstaller space -- one file space die2.py with cmd output, or another option, Windows dice2.py. So just put this PyInstaller space -- one file space dice2.py. Okay, this is with cmd output. This is black screen. Okay, we have two options here. When you do it, okay, then what will happen? When you create this command, another folder here will be created, PyCache build dist. Okay, then open your folder project. You will see 3 new folders. Open dist folder and then enjoy your .exe. So inside the dist you have application, your application. Okay, okay, this is good. If you have error, just install C++, Visual C++ redistribution. Okay, click here and you will get, just, or Google it and write this, or forget all before. You can use any application that convert py.exe. Visit this link to see. You can put here py and one click convert it to .exe. So this is a auto conversion. Okay, you can use this. Any question? Perfect.
للماك نفس الشيء يكون؟
فتش عليه بالماك. ايه لازم نفس الشيء. بس ما عندي فكرة. بالماكنتوش I don't have idea, but almost the same. Or you can choose any program that convert py.exe. Okay, from your internet. No need to do all the steps before. Okay, now the last application, password generator application. Before creating a password or generate a password, we need a command, a syntax called join. The join method is a string method and returns a string in which the elements of a sequence. So from list or tuple or string or dictionary and set can be joined by a string separator. Okay, here we convert anything to a string. The elements inside the list or tuple or string or dictionary must be strings. So the join method returns a string concatenated with the elements of your sequence. So example, your string.join. Okay, example here. You will understand more in this example. Assume list1 equal A, B, C, D. My separator is any variable here, equal 1. It's a string here, okay? It's not a number. Between quotation, it's a string. So if I write this, x equal my separator dot join list1, my separator dot join list1 will be here. X equal A1, B1, C1, D1. So here we have a join method to join a list or sequence or tuple or dictionary to a variable or separator. It can be one word. Okay, so my separator, your word to be added, to be separated any sequence. Okay, my separator dot join any sequence, okay, or non-sequence, anything. So my separator dot join list1 will be, my separator is 1, so A1, B1, C1, D1. If you put empty string, dot join list1 will be ABCD. So here we have another conversion from a list, string list, to be one string word. So we can use this command join. So we can convert list, string list to one string. Empty string dot join list one. The output will be ABCD. Or you can use conversion, escape conversion, or character conversion. Char, CHR64, it's a character at, okay? Dot join list one. So for each element, A at, B at, C at, D, okay? So this is an example how to use join, okay? Because we need, sorry, تفضل.
باللون my separated or join list 1 طلع معنا A1 B C1 D ما في D1.
لا ما بيخلص على الاخر، ما بيعملها، بيخلص على اخر واحد.
اخر ما بيعملها.
اخر واحده ما بيعملها. هي اسمها separator. join هي بتعمل separation للاليمنتس between A and B, between B C و between C D بس. اوكي. تعملهم in between. Okay. So we can use character, we can use empty, and we can use any variable that you want. Okay. So this is an example. We learn this because we want to use it in the password. Now, this is the ASCII code of Python or in your Windows. So use CHRN to get your character. If I want add, just put CHR64. If I want this symbol, dollar symbol, put 36. Euro 128 and 38. Okay, and so on and so on and so on and so on. Okay, and so on. Okay, ABC characters, capital A put 65, small a puts 97. Okay, so we have characters, ASCII code, decimal characters. Okay, CHRN. Now let's begin. We will use a Python script to generate a random password of 8 characters. The password will have to include the following characters in any order. So 2 uppercase letters from A to Z, 2 lowercase letters from small a to small z, 2 digits from 0 to 9, 2 punctuation signs such as question mark, at, an issue. To solve this challenge, we will have to generate random characters, and to do so, we'll need to use a ASCII code. Okay? I want to create a password generator. Okay? Click one button, and this button will create for me 8 characters, 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase, 2 digits, and 2 symbols. So this is the code. Okay. Import random. We must define a shuffle. When you click another time, we'll get another password generator. So shuffle string, temporary list string, random DOM shuffle, temp list. Here, this list is shuffled. Here, as you can see, random.shuffle, the list temp list, which is a list of strings that the input string is shuffled inside a list. Then return the output here to be null character dot join temp list. So the output will be a 1 string. So your string will enter here as a string, converted to a list, then shuffle it, then combine it, convert it to a string. So here the function job. Okay. Now I want to create 1 uppercase, 2 uppercase letter 1, uppercase letter 2, which are char random dot rand integer rand int from 65 to 90. will give you capital letters. From 97 to 122 give us small lower letter, small case. Digits from 48 to 57 هول كلهم موجودين هون. ها small a to small z from 97 to 122. Big A to big Z, capital letter, from 65 to 90. Samples, you can choose from here any samples, okay? From 2 or here, okay? So we use this 2, 2, 2. 2 digits, here the digits. The number 0 to 9, the character will be 48 to 57. So that's why we use this ranges. That's why we use this. So one variable called upper letter 1, second variable, third variable, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 variables. This variable is choose any characters from 65 to 90. Here the same. Here another small letters. This 2, digit 1, digit 2 will be random number from 0 to 9, but using this ASCII code 48 to 75, 57. Then any 2 symbols from this range. Then I will use concatenation plus to concatenate all of these. Password equal now my password equal uppercase letter 1 plus second variable plus third plus 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. But these are strings. This plus is concatenation between strings. So here we combine all of these together. Now I want to shuffle them. I don't want capital 2 letters, then 2 small letters, then 2 numbers, then 2 symbols. I want to shuffle the password. So here we use another password 1 equal shuffle password. So we call this function. So shuffle equal password. The concatenation variables will be put here as input, then converted to a list, then shuffle, then join again to be one word, one string. Okay, this is the main job of this function. So password 1 equal shuffle password. Now print random password, then shuffle random password, password 1. So before and after. Here we will see what is the password before and what is the password after you use this function. So random password equal this: 2 capital letter, 2 small letter, 2 digit, 2 symbols. After shuffling will be shuffled. Okay. Now I want to convert this code. I want to convert this code to be GUI. So code 1 for password generated code 1, it's only input out, no buttons, no, nothing. So this is the main code. Any question here? Any question? Good. So the same code we'll put it inside GUI code. Here, from Tkinter, import random, root, title, label 1, shuffle, put the function as is, button. Here we have button. When you click on button, you call the shuffle function. So the output will be here. Password generator. Okay. Every time you click on password generator, will be randomly 8 characters password. Okay. To convert it to executable file, just write this, because already you did step 1, 2, 3 before. Just write this in your command prompt. Okay, this is the end of the course. This is useful links about your projects. there is here beginner project and intermediate projects and advanced projects, advanced application. So you can visit these links to get an idea about your projects or how to do the application inside using Python. Okay, we finish our course. Any question? Any question?
No,
Perfect. Good job in your, good luck in your final exam. Next week we'll make some revision. Okay, next week we'll make some revision for your final exam. Okay, and we'll talk about what are includes, what material will be included. Okay, bye for now.